Hi everyone. I'm on a lunch break from a family law seminar that we have every year, and one of the things that came up at the seminar is House Bill 775, and I wanted to go live because this conversation about the content of this bill comes up all the time on my socials and gets people all heated. And it's this concept of the Natural Guardian Statute, which we've talked about on here a lot as it pertains to moms, and moms being the natural guardian of kids that are born out of wedlock and what that means. And it basically means that dads don't have any rights in Florida unless and until they file a paternity action. And so this House bill, which apparently there seems to be a lot of support for, would shift that and would have it be that if the dad's name is on the birth certificate, which the way you get a dad's name on the birth certificate is by filing an acknowledgement of paternity. So if the dad's name is on the birth certificate, which means mom and dad both have filed that acknowledgement of paternity form, then both parents would be the natural guardians. And so it would undo this sort of archaic way that we've been handling these cases from as long as I can remember with the Natural Guardian Statute, where when the kid is born out of wedlock, the mom automatically has those rights. So
this legislative change, if it takes effect, would start this summer, and it is a massive revolutionary change for dads and custody in Florida if it actually happens. It is basically shifting the dynamic that currently exists. Currently, when parents have a child and they are not married, the presumption from the beginning, even if dad's name is on the birth certificate, is that the mother is going to have sole parental responsibility and all of the time sharing rights at the time the child is born. Now, I will say that even under current law, once the father files his petition for paternity, that shifts and there becomes a presumption that the parents are going to both be substantially involved and a presumption that they're going to have shared parental responsibility. This bill is going to shift that, and now once the father's name's added to the birth certificate through an acknowledgement of paternity that's signed by the mom, he would be placed in the same position as the mother after the child is born as the natural guardian. This is a really, really big deal, you guys. So it seems to be getting a lot of support, and it seems as though it may happen, and if so, it could take place as early as July. And our advice and the way we handle cases for parents that are not married would change drastically.